now, please welcome Melissa Etheridge.
This is so high. This is so wow. This is great. We've been into the other balls, and this has got to be beat by miles. I have to say, my sister Katie Lang has been such an inspiration and such the greatest thing I've ever seen this year. But I'm proud to say right here, I'm very proud to have been a lesbian all my life.